So, what initially sparked your interest in dermatology?
So I have a keen eye for aesthetics and I love doing aesthetic work. Had I not been a doctor, I would have been an interior decorator or maybe a fashion designer. When aesthetics came into dermatology, I knew that was my path. I knew that is what I have to take. I enjoy making people more confident about themselves. And I like this branch because it helps me pave a way for these people who are a little underconfident or who have a little complexes, and I can help them through my field of medicine.
So, what challenges did you encounter along the way?
So the challenges which I found on the way is that when I finished my dermatology, as like everyone else, I was working with different doctors, as in senior doctors, to basically get some experience. Now, what happened generally was because aesthetics was so new in the market that time, not everyone was aware of it and how to go about it. And I had just come back from Australia after doing my fellowship, so I had an idea about how to go about it, but these set of doctors had a fixed guidelines or a fixed SOP as how to do these procedures or how to go about it, because it was very new. So this basically needed me to branch out by myself, start off my own clinic where I was not limited by them, but I had a free hand and I could do what I wanted and go against the norm and develop the best practice for myself and as well as give the best benefit to the patients.
So, what personal qualities do you believe have been most essential to your success as a dermatologist?
So I would say I'm a good listener. You could talk for hours and I could listen. And what I realized in my practice as an aesthetic practice is that people come here to be heard. Maybe they are embarrassed or they're not confident enough to talk to their friends or family about these small things which they face, or they want some professional help. So being empathic towards them has helped me a lot in my practice, giving them a good ear and giving them those little changes which makes them more confident about themselves has helped me a lot in my practice.
So, what are some common misconceptions about skincare that you would like to clarify?
Okay, some common misconceptions which I would like to clarify is from years we've been going about this routine of cleansing, toning, and moisturizing, which was good initially. But I think a toner is an absolute waste. It is not required. It actually dries up your skin. So I would actually say skip your toner unless and until you have an oily skin. Moisturizing is actually the most important part, of course, after cleansing. So, a acne prone skin is also supposed to be moisturizing. Whether you have a dry skin, you need to moisturize. Whether you have an oily skin, you need to moisturize. Or whether you have a normal or combination skin, moisturizing is a must. Second thing, as far as the newer trend which is there, you see a lot of reels on Instagrams, and there is niacinamide serums, there's hyaluronic acid serum, there's glycolic acid serums, retinoic acid, and people tend to put all of that looking on these reels. So let me tell you, less is more as far as skin is concerned. You can't overload your skin with a lot of things. You will only land up with either rashes or breakouts. So just remember the mantra, less is more. And this not only goes for serums, but it also goes for injectables also, because you don't want to land up looking what you are not.
So, what message would you like to share with young women inspiring in careers in medicines, particularly dermatology?
I would say young girls, I would advise the young girls to be innovative, not to be scared, defy the norms and move ahead. Don't be scared to put an opinion forward and try something new.
So, do you believe One Health Assist supports your goals for furthering your business?
Absolutely. I think One Health Assist is a good platform because it puts the right doctor forward. We have many quacks in the industry who practice as dermatologists in spite of not having the right degree. So, One Health Assist is one such platform who puts you to the right doctor, because that is very much necessary in today's world.